Riding mower, loud bang, white smoke. Got it under the carport and checked oil which didn't look right. Drained the oil and it was mostly gas coming out. Is my engine dead? Could it be repaired?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Twin engine? Sounds like connecting rod broke on one piston. If it were single cylinder, engine would have quit.
It would stay cranked, but when I engaged the blades, white smoke and it died.
Single cylinder or twin engine?
It's a Troy Built Super Bronco with a Koehler engine, but I don't know single or twin.
One spark plug?
Yes.
Pull the spark plug and spin engine with starter to see if there is any abnormal noises. If it does not have major knocking, refill the crankcase with oil, reinstall the spark plug and see if it will crank and run. It will smoke from all the oil in the exhaust, but it will quickly burn it out and it should clear up.
I can't right now, I put it up, rain came in. I'll do that tomorrow. If it makes noises, what then? Am I looking at replacing the engine?
If it has knocking, engine will need major repair. You will have to decide if you want to get it repaired or? Let me change this to question and answer and you can check it when you have the time and weather. There will be a link in your email.
Got it. Thanks for the additional check before taking it somewhere. It'll probably be junked if I have to replace it. Any suggestions on a real good mower? I've got 3.5 acres all hills that I have to cut. Very rough on a mower.
Just find one that you are comfortable with, and the price you can afford. I have an old Dixon and a Cub Cadet. My brother mows 4 acres and all he ever buys is Craftsman. He has twin Koehler with 54-inch deck.
Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.